ultrasonic sensor-based distance measurement system using STM32F103C8T6 Blue Pill development board. Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Konark Sharma. In this lecture, we will learn about the basic overview of ultrasonic sensor-based distance measurement system using STM32F103C8T6 Blue Pill development board from Ankit Mishra, Amit Kumar and Naman. Upon completion of this lecture, learners will be able to understand about the basic overview of ultrasonic sensor-based distance measurement system using STM32F103C8T6 Blue Pill development board. So, let's get it started.
KONARK'S research. Subscribe now.
Hello everyone, I am Naman.
I am Amit.
And I am Ankit.
And today we are going to present our ultrasonic distance measurement project with the help of camera module and STM32 microcontroller. My role in this project was the hardware implementation,
And my role in this project is software implementation.
And I have done all the research work for all the components used in this project.
Now let's have a look at the code used in this project. But first we will be looking at the components. So first we have STM32 Blue Pill microcontroller. It is a brain of our project which is responsible for controlling all the other components and processing data from ultrasonic sensor and interacting with camera and LCD. Then we have a 16:2 LCD display which will show the measured distance in real time. And then we have ultrasonic sensor. This sensor is used to measure the distance. It's an ultrasonic wave and then calculates the time taken by the echo to return. And then a microcontroller uses this data and calculates the distance. Then we have FTDA module. This module allows us to program and debug the STM32 microcontroller. And then we have OV7670 camera module, which is a low-force image sensor. In our project, we have done an extra add-on by integrating this camera module with an ultrasonic sensor. So now let's go into the code part.
So we start by including two libraries. This one is used to control the LCD display, and this one is used to enable the I2C communication with the camera. So and here we have defined the pin for the ultrasonic sensor. This one is for trigger and this one is echo. And here we have defined the I2C address of the camera. And here we have created an object LCD having its I2C address and its dimension 60:2. And it has two variables, duration and distance. This will be used to calculate the timing, and this one will be used to calculate the distance. And then here we have again the serial communication to debug, and here we have begun the I2C communication for camera. Then we have initialized the LCD setup and configured the pin. Trigger pin is for output and echo pin is for inputs. And then here we have initialized the camera, and we have used the cells condition to check if the camera is initialized properly or not. And then in the loop function, we are triggering our ultrasonic sensor by sending a pulse. And in this pulse function, we calculate the time by noticing the time taken by the echo to return. This will be stored in this duration variable which we have declared here. Then using the duration, he will be finding the distance, and will be showing the distance with this code. And if our distance is out of a particular range, then we will be showing the output out of range. And this is show the camera which will be capturing the images in the real time, and that was output.
So now I am going to explain you the working of our project. In this explanation, I am going to show you how STM32 measures the distance with the ultrasonic sensor and the camera module. As you can see there, when the object is moving closer to the sensor, the distance gradually decreases, and as the object is moved far away from the ultrasonic sensor, the distance gradually increases. At the same time, the camera captures the images or the videos of the object while that is measuring the distance.
The uses and benefits of this project are: this project can be used in robotics, where it can calculate the distance between obstacles and robots to prevent the collision between them. This project can also be used in smart doors, where it can automatically close or open the door by calculating the distance between person coming in or going out. This project can also used to prevent all the accidents that are caused in low visibility regions. It can use to measure the distance between two vehicles and alarm the driver that the distance is closing in and he should slow the car. The other uses include that it can also used as the alarm for blind people, which can alarm them whenever they are closing to some obstacles to avoid accidents or collisions.
We have learned many new things while working on this project.
And we are looking forward to make similar kind of projects.
We have gained many new knowledge about all the components like STM32 and camera module, and we love this project very much. Thank you.
Finally, we would like to cooperate with you according to the best of our knowledge. Keep your feedback and suggestions coming. They help us to provide you quality work that resonates with your needs and requirements. Thanks much for sharing your kind suggestions. Keep healthy, keep learning, and keep growing.
KONARK'S research. Subscribe now.